Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To be able to change the window regulator mechanism on your vehicle, you must remove the internal panel on the door. Start by taking off the handle casing by delicately pulling it towards you from the top downwards. You can use a flathead screwdriver as a lever to help. Once removed, unscrew the 2 large screws with a large Phillips screwdriver. With a Torx 30 screwdriver, remove the 2 screws located on the bottom of the door. Pull lightly on the door panel starting from the pocket, then move up the sides so that you can unclip the many clips on the door shell. Now lift to free it from the upper runner. You now have access to the back of the panel. Holding it with one hand, unclip the cable for opening the door and remove it. Unplug the different sockets for accessories in the door panel. For certain sockets, you can use a small screwdriver. Once unplugged, you can completely remove the door casing. Remove the electric pin on the motor, sliding the lock out of the socket downwards. You must also unplug the speaker socket. Remove the 2 rubber covers that make it possible to access the window mechanism support. You must now separate the window mechanism. To do this, take an adhesive strip. Put a strip on each side of the window. This will be useful to adjust the position of the window to access the window frame through the small access covers. The adhesive strip will also support the window to stop it falling when removing the mechanism. Using a socket wrench and a Torx 30, remove the window regulator motor. Then, using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, separate the window from its frame. In situations where the waterproofing seal has been placed between the mechanism and the door during a previous repair job, use a cutter to cut the seal. Then, using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, remove the 10 screws on the frame. Using a flathead screwdriver, you can now remove the frame, taking care to unplug the centralized locking system and taking the cabling out of the panel.